Right
And
there.
it does right into the transparency and accuracy, which we know in our 100 years of experience, transparency and accuracy of the data was always key. I think it was anything any one of us was asked at any given time. We wanted to make sure that if we're a public entity, that the stakeholders have the confidence in what's going on. They know those statements and the information that they're given financially is correct. And that is big because you earn the trust, and you earn the trust not even in a public company but in a private company. There's a trust factor of your customers are going to look at those financials. I want to know, am I really with a stable company? If I can't provide you the transparency and accuracy and know that what I'm giving you is there, I don't have your faith. And I need to have that faith and that trust in the public in what we're doing. And again, it helps us be proactive and solve any kind of problem that could come up before it goes out publicly. And that's another key thing. We want to be able to react daily, weekly, before that information goes out. And again, knowing the accuracy of the data and being able to drill to those subledger details into that account and knowing what's going on. Did I not implement it correctly? Wait, I may not have implemented that new thing correctly, and it is now impacting this. I don't know that until I start seeing it's what's happening. And then I see that risk and I'm like, oh, wait, I need to solve that. I need to go through and make that change. Now I can see what the actual impact is going to be. And again, it enhances your compliance and how you're actually producing your statements, even though it's to the SEC or to whoever it is. You know that everything you've done is accurate up to that point, and you're confident in what you're doing, and you've built that trust. And I think that is key as an accountant and as a finance person, is always to know that somebody trusts me and my numbers are correct. And that is big in today's world, and it was big 30 years ago, and it's still going to be important.